guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a try on, and a review on the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups eyeshadow palette by Tasty Beauty. With that being said, let's get this started. So this Reese's Peanut Butter Cups eyeshadow palette is by Taste Beauty. I thought it was Tasty Beauty, but it's Taste Beauty. It says it here at the top, Taste Beauty. Let's see if it focuses for you guys. Right there, Taste Beauty, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups eyeshadow palette. And this is the back. And in the back it just says Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, directions for safe use. Use an eyeshadow brush to apply eyeshadow from the palette and create animated looks. And then caution, and then directions for removal. Wait, there's removal? Why is there removal? Is there special? I'm like, there's something special. Okay, let's see. So it states directions for removal. Apply eye makeup remover to a lint-free toning cloth and gently press down on the eye, holding for 20 seconds. That's it. And then ingredients may contain, and then Hershey official licensed product, and then cruelty free, 12 months. Of course, the products you guys know. Reese's trademark. So no, it doesn't smell like peanut butter, like Reese's peanut butter, but it looks like a Reese's peanut butter candy. Look at that. I like this packaging. It's really cute. So Taste Beauty is the same brand that also made the Cinnamon Toast Crunch eyeshadow palette. I have it reviewed if you guys want to go take a look at it. So now let's do an unboxing. It has a mirror! Okay, I need to show you guys that. Can you guys see the mirror? That's the mirror right there. That's cute. That's really cute. The colors are very pretty, guys. Okay, I don't know where to start. Okay, this is really pretty. So it does have a magnetic closure right there. And then it does have a mirror, and it's like the size of this right here. Let's see, you guys can see like the mirror right there. That's the mirror. And then this thing at the top right here is the magnetic closure. Immediately you also see, look at those beautiful colors. It has an eyeshadow protectant film, but I like that they put like a little sticker on it so it wouldn't like come off. So let's go ahead and carefully remove this. These look very pretty, guys. It does remind me of the Reese's like trademark you know, colors, like the orange and the peanut butter, and then the wrapper. I think this is really cute, guys. I'm really hoping it swatches just like it looks here on the palette. Look at that. I'm trying to move it every direction so you guys can see like a little bit of shimmer that some of these have. It does have 9 eyeshadows, 3, 6, 9. Oh, the stickers did leave a little bit of residue, but it's okay for me. So let's go ahead and swatch these, but before I swatch them, let me tell you the names. So we have peanut butter, chocolate, delicious, fun, candy, tasty, sweet, milk chocolate, and perfect. It doesn't smell like anything, but let's swatch them. I went ahead and I swatched all of them, and of course you can tell some of them have a lot more fallout than the rest, and of course that's normal for eyeshadow palettes, whether it's drugstore, high-end. If you guys see my videos, you guys know. Also, I do have to say that the ones that have a lot more fallout than the others are this one, Fun and Sweet. I like that some of them have a little bit of shimmer and others are more matte. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? So I paired it up with a little bit of eyelashes at the end. Of course, one of my eyelashes going a little bit more crazier, but who isn't? I mean, it's okay. So let me say the packaging is very pretty, very lightweight. I really do like that it has a magnetic closure. I also like that it came with a protectant film. The thing that I was kind of about is that, yes, it was cute that it came with like stickies here, but then once you remove it, it's like super sticky here. So you can wipe that off with an alcohol wipe or a little bit of alcohol or even makeup remover and you should be fine. But I do like the fact that it came with a protecting film. I also like that it came with a mirror. I also like that it has the names in the front with the eyeshadows. The eyeshadows themselves were really pretty, really vibrant, really toned down. It reminds me of the actual Reese's Pieces candy. I do have to say, again, if you guys didn't listen to me in the beginning, that sweet, you have to be very careful with this one. This one has a lot, and I mean a lot of fallout. Of course, fallout is normal with any eyeshadow palette, but some of them have it more than the others, and this one definitely has it more than any of the other eyeshadows in here. It also like went everywhere. The one that has fallout after this one, that has like a little bit more fallout, is Fun. So these two, but especially this one, the Sweet. The other colors, all of the colors, even the Sweet and the Fun, are very beautiful, very pretty. I like how they swatched. They feel very creamy, very like the ColourPop Cosmetics and the Cara Beauty formula that they use. That is very soft to apply and very soft to blend in. So the eyeshadows are very soft and very blendable, very buildable, which I do like. I also like the fact that with Fun, it wasn't showing up well. I used another brush and it started showing up, so I really like it. This is the look that I came up with. It reminds me a little bit of fall, a little bit of the Reese's Pieces itself, and I used all of the eyeshadows on my eyelids, and let me say, I really like it. I think it's fun, it's cute. You can use this look anywhere you go. You can also do different other looks that are like more kind of dramatic in the side. Like you can use a little bit more concealer to put that colors to show up, like the chocolate and the tasty. You can tone it down with the milk chocolate and the candy, or you can put it a little bit more golden or vibrant with the perfect delicious or peanut butter. So there's a lot of looks you guys can do with this one palette. Now onto the final rating. Out of 5, I give this eyeshadow palette a 5. I really like this eyeshadow palette, you guys. Will I use this again? Yes, I will. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. I do recommend it. Of course, it depends if you guys have the means, your time, and if you guys find it, well then, get it. If you can't afford it or you can't find it, don't worry. There's many more eyeshadow palettes that I can review for you guys. Again, if you guys want to see something specific, let me know down in the comment section below. And again, I really like this eyeshadow palette. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys!